What is Elementor Page Builder? I've been using Elementor for almost 1.5 years now, and it has made my life easier when it comes to creating my own website and my client's website as well. And yes, there are tools like WordPress that help you create websites, but it has some limitations. And especially when you are kind of picky with the design, you want certain sections, the aesthetics, the functionality, the user's needs, because you need to take in mind what your own user is looking for and how you can help that user have a nice experience when that person goes to your website. And when it comes to that, Elementor is the perfect match with WordPress. And that is why today I'm going to be sharing with you top 10 reasons why Elementor is the best WordPress page builder. And if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be sharing with you a way that I can help you even more. How I can help you create a website fast, and not just that, create a website that actually works for your business, that help you convert users into clients. Because that's what a website is, that help your business achieve its goal. And without further ado, let's dive into today's video. Reason number 1, user-friendly. Something that I love about Elementor is that it's really simple to use. Honestly, it's a no-brainer how to use it. And you can control the elements, the feature, however you want. Let's say that, for example, you want to put a video on your page. You can grab the video element widget and just drag it and drop it wherever you want to put it. And honestly, you don't have to deal with anything about coding, HTML, JavaScript, CSS. You don't even need to know anything of that. And that is what I like Elementor, because it makes the website building experience really easy and smooth to understand. Reason number 2, excellent and functional widgets. Widgets are just basically the different elements that Elementor has to offer. This can be the videos, images, galleries, subheading, text, testimonials. Elementor has a bunch of different widgets that you can use. And if that is not enough for you, you can always add more with third-party widgets. These third-party widgets can be a CrocoBlock, essential add-ons for Elementor, Jet Elements. There are a bunch of different widgets that you can use, and you can use these different tools to create something even more amazing. Here's when it comes that I say that you can create any design that you can imagine. So this is super useful, and I know you're gonna like it as well. And the number 3 is real-time editing and preview. Something useful with Elementor is that when you use the page builder, you're gonna be able to see the changes immediately. Not like when you do HTML, JavaScript, CSS, that you have to wait a certain amount of time to see the changes that you have done. With Elementor Page Builder, if you change something, you're gonna see it immediately. And the same with the preview. You can click on preview and see what you have done immediately. So this is gonna help you have your website ready faster. Number 4, Premade templates. The Elementor team have built Premade templates that you can use to basically create your website faster. For instance, in the page builder, you're gonna have this option, the plus icon and this folder icon. You click on the folder and you're gonna go to the Premade templates library, and you have a bunch of different styles, pages style that you can choose from. You can choose the one that you like and just import it into your own website. You also have blocks. Blocks are basically small sections that you can add inside your pages. For instance, let's say that you want to add an about section inside your homepage. So you click about, and there are different styles of blocks that you can import inside your website. Now let's say that we want to add this one. We're gonna go choose this one. We're gonna click on insert. Now you have this template, and what you can basically do is just change the logo. You can change the logo if you want. Change the logo here, choose a different image, and basically design this template with your own images, your own text, and all that, right? And something that I really like is that if you have a template, you have built a page, and you want to have the same structure, the same design on another page, you can simply go and save the template. You can put the name, save it, and it's gonna be stored here on your templates. As you can see, those are the templates, and you can simply go and share this template to another person or to use it on another site. So this is gonna help you build website pages even faster. And it's useful that you can use it as well to get ideas on what to design, how to put certain things, especially for those of you that doesn't have any design experience like me when I was getting started. This really helped me have ideas on how to structure, create, design my own website. Number 5, limitless design and control. With Elementor, you want to be able to design and change everything that you want inside your page. If you want to put a background, maybe you want to choose an image background or a video background or a solid color background gradient, change the color buttons, use overlay. You want to be able to choose over 400 icons that Elementor has available. The text fonts, you have over 800 Google fonts that you can choose. All these different things that's going to help you boost your website visual appeal. And in control, you want to be able to put sections, columns, you want to edit the column gaps, the margins, the padding, everything in a brace. And all this in order for you to create a website that differentiates from the generic ones out there. Number 6, mobile responsive. You need to understand that most of your web visitors, they're gonna come from a cell phone, a mobile, some of them from tablets, and some of them from desktop. And you need to make sure that your website looks good in any of those devices. And with Elementor, you wanna be able to do that. You simply create your design, and for instance, if the design doesn't look good on mobile, you just simply choose mobile, make the changes on that device, and that's it. And you can do the same with the desktop and the tablet. Number 7, animation and motion effects. Apart from the widgets and the templates, Elementor also gives you animation and motion effects that gives your website a professional designer touch. And some of these effects and animation that you can use are hover effects, headline effects, box shadow, shape dividers, and much more. And trust me, all these effects are enough for you to build a website that looks professional and modern. Number 8, customize every part of your theme with Elementor Theme Builder. So if you don't know, you can use Elementor with basically any theme that you want. You can use a theme. If you want to change the theme, you can move to the other without problem. You won't lose your work in Elementor just because you change the theme. And also, Elementor has a theme builder. The theme builder basically allows you to change the header, the footer. This is something I really like, because I was looking to create a really nice website and I wanted to change the header and the footer. And you can do that if you're using just WordPress. You can do it with the theme, but it has some limitation. It's not always the way they want to show it or the way they want to structure it. But with Elementor Theme Builder, I can edit, put animations, put motion effects to my headers, to my footers, however I want. And this is a really nice way to build something incredible, something really different from the other websites out there. Also, I started creating blog posts, so I wanted to design nice blog posts for my website. And with Elementor Theme Builder, you can design the archive. The archive is just basically where you want to show up all your blog posts, and you can put any design that you want there. The same with the single blog post, where it's gonna be the page that you want to show up the content of your blog post. So this is something really nice, and I really like Elementor for that, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it as well. Number 9, perfect for landing pages. With Elementor, you want to be able to create landing pages. You can choose a canvas, a blank page, and start designing your sales page, your video sales page, whatever you want to do to promote your service, your product, your course. And you won't have the necessity to go and get another program, for instance, lead pages, and just to create landing pages. With Elementor, you have all that in one single place. And the last one, and one of the most important one, I believe, is the pop-up builder and the lead capture form. If you are into any kind of business, something that you need to take in mind is the lead capture. You need to start collecting your leads' email addresses. It's important for any business online to start building their audience. And for do that, you can use pop-ups or form inside your pages. You can have in your homepage a form with a lead magnet and start collecting people email addresses. The same with a pop-up builder, you can have a pop-up on your site to start providing your lead magnet as well and collect people's email addresses. And with Elementor, you want to be able to do that without going to another program, because there are different plugins like for instance Optic Monster that allow you to create the same lead capture forms, the pop-ups, but you need to pay around, I don't know, I believe $20 or $30 depending of if you're doing e-commerce or the type of website that you have. But with Elementor, you won't have to pay that, to waste that money just on a tool that you can have all in one place. So basically that's it, guys. Those are my top 10 reasons why Elementor is the best WordPress page builder. And if you don't know, there are two different versions of Elementor. There is the free version and the paid version, that is the Elementor Pro. With the free version, you can enjoy some of the different things that I just mentioned, but with the Pro, you will have them all. So if you want the free, you just go to plugins and download the plugin for Elementor, and you can start playing around, see if you like it. I'm pretty sure you will. But if you want to use all these different things that I just mentioned, don't have basically limitations, you can go and upgrade to the Pro version. There's gonna be a link below. You can go and put on the browser bgonlinesolutions.com/Elementor. You wanna go to the pricing page, and there are different prices. There is the $49, $99, and the $199. If you want just for one site, choose the basic plan, the $49. It's not that expensive, honestly, and you're gonna be able to have everything that I just mentioned in this video. And something that I really like about Elementor is that if you pay for the Pro, and in the next time that you have to pay, you don't do it, your website, your design is gonna stick the same. Of course, when time goes by and you upgrade WordPress and don't upgrade the plugin, it won't match. But if you stick to the same version, your design, your templates, they're gonna be just the same as if you were paying for Elementor. So this is different from page builder like Divi, that if you go and cancel the subscription, your website is done. So take this in mind. Now, this is the part where I'm gonna tell you how I can help you even more. There's gonna be the link below. It's a affiliate link. So basically, if you purchase Elementor with my link, I'm gonna get a commission. But this doesn't have any extra cost to you. So basically, it's a win-win situation. And in addition to that, I also gonna give you, if you purchase with my link, I'm gonna give you a 6-page layout template. So basically, you wanna have your website built. You have to import the template into your website and start editing all the different images, text accordingly to your business. And these templates include the home page, the services page, the contact page, the about us page, and the archive. If you want to create blog posts, the archive, you want to show up all your blog posts, you want to have that template, and the single blog post template. Besides that, I also gonna give you a training, a free training, where I'm gonna teach you how you can structure your website the right way in order for you to convert visitors into clients. Because something that you need to understand is that design, it's nice, it grabs the user attention, but it's not enough. You need to have a strategy in place in order for your website to convert visitors into clients. And in this training, I'm gonna teach you what different areas, sections you need to incorporate in your website in order for you to convert those users into clients. And also, you're gonna have access to my private Facebook group, where you basically gonna be able to ask questions. If you have problem with the design, you want to know something else, you're gonna be able to communicate and get support from the other members inside the group. So this is my way to help you even more get a website faster, and not just something that looks nice, but something that really works for your business. Now, if you want help, you don't want to deal with all this kind of stuff, you want to have a website that looks nice and convert visitors into clients, then you can go to jordanvelazquez.com/call and schedule a call with my team and I. Let's see what you want to build, and let's see how we can help you out. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next one.